Welcome. You have a few minutes before you need to be on. And right now, those minutes belong entirely to you. Whatever is waiting, the presentation, the conversation, the room full of people, it can wait just a little longer. Find a comfortable position wherever you are. Sit upright if you can. Let your hands rest in your lap and gently close your eyes. You are more prepared than you think. Let's begin with 3 breaths. A slow breath in through your nose, filling up, and a long breath out through your mouth. Again, breathe in and out, letting your shoulders drop a little lower. One more. A deep breath in. Hold it gently for just a moment. And a slow, complete exhale, releasing any tightness in your chest. Good. Now let your breath settle naturally. Just notice it moving in and out, easy and steady. You don't need to force anything right now. Just breathe. Bring your attention to your face. You've probably been staring at a screen, reading through notes, preparing. Let all of that go for just a moment. Soften your forehead, unclench your jaw. Let your eyes rest gently behind closed lids. Notice your shoulders. They may have crept up toward your ears without you realizing. Roll them back gently and let them fall. Release the tension you've been carrying since you sat down this morning. Bring your awareness to your hands. These hands have typed the notes, prepared the slides, sent the emails. Let them rest now. Open your palms gently and feel them soften. Place one hand on your chest if that feels comfortable. Feel your heartbeat. Steady, reliable. It has been with you through every meeting, every challenge, every difficult moment, and it is with you right now. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, feel your whole body settle a little more deeply into stillness. You are grounded. You are here. I want you to picture yourself walking into that meeting room or joining that call, feeling calm and clear. You speak and your words come easily. You listen and you respond thoughtfully. The people in that room can feel your presence. Steady, focused, prepared. Now picture the meeting ending well. You said what needed to be said. You handled the hard questions. You showed up fully. Notice how that feels in your body right now. A quiet confidence settling in. A sense of ease replacing the nerves. That version of you is not a fantasy. It is not far away. It is exactly who you are when you are calm and centered. And that is who is walking into that room today. Before you go, receive these. I am calm and I am ready. I trust myself in this room. Whatever happens, I can handle it. Now take one final deep breath in and let it go completely. Open your eyes slowly. Sit up tall. Shake out your hands gently. You've got this. Go show them what you've got. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Namaste.